Hello? Hello? Excuse me? You're in my fridge. Hello? You're in my fridge. Get out. The lock's on. That's to keep you out of the fridge. Please reverse your bum hole. Keep moving. Keep moving. Out. Get out of my fridge. Come on. Come on. You've been caught. Busted. Get out of my fridge. It's the door's locked. How did you get in there? Come on, fat bum. Out of my fridge. Come on. Come on, you big fat lump. Squirt. Come on. Get out. Good boy. Get out of my fridge. You are so naughty. Come on, out. Come on. Get out of my fridge. Come on, please. Come on. Trying to hold the door open for you. I can't undo the lock because your head's stuck in it. Thank you. Lovely.